Well, this is the engine bay as it is. I forgot to pick up a coolant drain pan or bucket or something that can catch all the coolant from the radiator because I gotta drain this. Next thing I gotta work on is getting a puller so I can pull the harmonic balancer pulley stuff off. Because I got to change the timing cover plate, and I'm also going to replace all of these bolts because they have a habit of snapping, breaking, or something. So the parts should be in for the job, and that is why I am starting on this thing. So that'll be the next adventure in the shop, most likely. So this weekend I'm going to be away. I'm traveling for a wedding, not mine, but a friend's. Moved the mill. It's not resting in its final place. I need to leave space in the back there because that back panel holds the relays and contactors and a bunch of the wiring, so that's going to stay there. And I managed to get most of the sawdust and junk cleaned up, although there's still always more. I still haven't gotten the water valve shut off, so there's a bit of a wet spot on the floor there. I did get a few other odds and ends for the sink, so I can start on that next week too. I gotta clean out the sink and put that together and then get another 2x3 so I can mount that up on there. And that's basically about it. I've had a lot of other stuff to do outside of the shop. Administrative stuff and working on my website, and that's taking way too long because I don't friggin' have a clue what I'm doing, so yeah, that's pretty much about it. I'm learning as I go. I've never worked on one of these engines before, let alone in a truck, so that's going to be quite interesting figuring out all this stuff that I've never done before. So that's about it. I hope you guys have a good weekend. I probably won't have much of anything to post until at least Monday, so until then, take care, be safe, be awesome.